Hi everyone, welcome back to the series of the Amazing Peppa Pig Collection. We are on book number 15. If you have not yet followed, go follow my channel. Let's see the book. The Very Hot Day. It is a very hot day. Peppa and George want to jump up and down in muddy puddles. Oh no, gasped Peppa. It is so hot, all the puddles have dried up. Why don't you play in the paddling pool? Suggests Mummy Pig. Peppa and George change into their swimming costumes. Mummy and Daddy Pig are wearing swimming costumes too. Daddy Pig pumps up the paddling pool. Pum, pum, pum. Hee 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 hee. The pool gets bigger and bigger, and soon it is ready to fill with water. Peppa can't wait to paddle in the pool. She holds the hose and runs to the paddling pool. Here comes the water! Cries Peppa. Mummy Pig turns on the hose. The water splashes into the paddling pool. Soon the pool is full up to the top. Ho 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 ho, says Daddy Pig. Splendid work, Peppa. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in the paddling pool. Splash, splash, hee 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 hee, ha 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 ha. Suddenly they hear a bell ringing. What could it be? It's Miss Rabbit with her ice cream cart. Wow! Mommy, can George and I have an ice cream? Asked Peppa. Please? Yes, Peppa, says Mummy Pig. It is a very hot day. Which ice cream would you like, George? Asked Miss Rabbit. Dinosaur, says George. George loves dinosaurs. Miss Rabbit hands a dinosaur-shaped ice lolly to George. How sweet! George is very happy. George loves his dinosaur ice lolly so much he does not want to eat it. Oh, he just wants to look at it. Dinosaur! Grrr! Growls George. Oh no! The hot sun has melted George's ice lolly. Wah! Cries George. His ice lolly is now a puddle on the ground. Uh-oh. Mummy Pig and Peppa have ice cream cones. Mummy Pig gets George a cone too. Try to eat this before it melts, says Mummy Pig. George is happy again. Everyone loves ice cream, especially on a very hot day. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you all next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.